so the Food and Drug Administration is scheduled to vote today on whether this experimental drug for patients with ALS could receive FDA approval. I love this part, though, that a portion of the study for this drug was funded by the viral Ice Bucket Challenge. We all remember that. And so many things have kind of tried to recreate the power of that particular campaign and haven't done it. So that's amazing. But what can you tell us about this?
Yeah, well, first of all, that is so cool, right? I mean, because we all did it. And you think, I hope that this actually, translates into something useful or good. So I think people are going to be watching this one really carefully. Savannah, just a couple of months ago, remember when that Alzheimer's drug was approved amid a lot of controversy? So the FDA's Neurological Advisory Committee is meeting today to discuss whether or not they recommend approval. We'll see what the FDA ultimately decides. Remember, ALS is a terrible neurodegenerative disease. There are a few medications right now that are approved for it. But suffice it to say, there is clearly an unmet need for this one. Right now, they're looking at data from a phase 2 trial that did seem to extend life by about 6 months. It reduced death as well, but apparently a lot of flaws in the study. So we'll see. I don't know that it's a slam dunk, but you can imagine advocates and family members are really pushing for this approval. But I think FDA is definitely on the hot seat on this one because of sort of the stumbles that they made with the Alzheimer's drug and how quickly they're approving things when the data isn't really robust. So we'll see what happens at the end of the day. We'll see if the advisory committee actually makes a recommendation to approve it. It's not a slam dunk.
Yeah, it's also coming at a time, of course, when everybody's a little bit like, oh, are we doing this quickly about quite
everything.
A bit? Yeah,
absolutely.
So that makes a lot of sense.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.